Kenzel goes to our church. He works with Terry for the city of Joplin. And Terry's aunt is the one who owns this house. She's 80 years old. She didn't have insurance. So we've came before and helped. And now we're back today to try to get sheetrock and trying to get the inside done so that she might possibly get in it by Christmas.
So this house was, where was it in relation to the tornado?
It was on the south side of the path of the tornado, but of course the tornado started probably 3 miles that way and continued for about another 3 miles this way, and then it still hit sporadically even after that. You know, for a total of about 13 miles, but the path was about 1 mile wide by 6 miles long that it just took out everything in its path. You drive down the streets that I've drove for years and years and years, and you didn't know where you was because all the landmarks were gone. The doctor's offices, the dentist offices that were completely destroyed, you know, closed on Sunday. Joplin High School was having their graduation, but they moved it to the college so that there would be more room for family members. Each graduate could have more family members since they moved it out to the college. And if they had it at the school, there would have been a tremendous amount of loss to life compared to what there was. So, you know, if the tornado had to hit, you know, it hit at a time when actually I don't know how there could have been any less loss of life because of the timing of it. You know, you hear story after story, all the people like this, the houses were completely destroyed except this one little cubby hole, and that's where they were, you know. So it's just amazing when you hear all the stories. You know, people with insurance, of course, they can hire professionals to do it, but she didn't have insurance, so that's where the volunteers come in. And, you know, we're just glad to help.